What's going on, guys? Mason Barber coming back at you guys with yet another video. Today's gonna be a little different. So first we got the vlog, the normal barber vlogs, the barber life vlogs, and then after we're gonna come back here and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a YouTube studio slash filming area. So yeah, I already started like the little area, but we're gonna knock the hardest part out, which is gonna be the collage wall, like where we're gonna have a bunch of pictures. But yeah, I already cut all the pictures out. They're ready to be put up, but first we gotta get to work, so let's go. Okay, so before we go to work, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. So we got some decoration, we got some LED lights, couch, and then I'm gonna be putting some pictures, you know? The whole wall is gonna be filled with pictures, it's gonna be absolutely sick. So guys, stick around for that. I'm so excited to do this, but I have to go to work first. So let's head to work. Did I forget my phone? I forgot my phone. I really forgot my phone. I can't believe I never forget my phone. How did I forget this shit? Wow. I'm vexed.
There you go.
Ew.
You gotta check your braids though.
Okay, show the braids, show the braids.
Check the braids, check the braids. Yo,
Wow. Wow. That's
that
crazy.
girl did them, huh? Bro, she's so good, bro. They hurt like
What's it?
What's up,
Good.
vlog? Another edition of Mason's vlogs, right now.
Ew.
Open the door, my guy.
I forgot my. Oh, my keys are in my car. I forgot my my phone, so I have to go back.
Are you sure?
To go back home.
Lying.
I swear. It's because I had my camera and I was focused on that. So,
So, what is up, YouTube?
bro, put your mask on,
Surgical
bro.
plans right now.
If you're coming that close to me, put your mask on. Beat his ass. Okay, so today I don't have a lot of people. I only have like 2 guys. So if you guys came here for the YouTube studio like collage thing, it won't be too long. I'll put the timestamp in the bottom so you guys could just click on it and then go straight there.
The fuck is that? Shit! I'm dying in this fucking country ass fucked up town.
Yes, sir. So you want to explain what the specs and shit? Is there anything like?
So much. There's a whole list, bro.
What's it called?
This is a Subaru Impreza with the engine swap of a STI. It's an EG207.
Okay.
It pushes about 400 horsepower.
Okay. Okay. Yo. Yo. Oh shit! Oh yeah!
That was a flame.
I heard that shit, bro. Damn!
What is that?
So I just finished at the barber shop. Today was not busy at all. I only had 2 guys, but I blame that on, I think it's because of the Black Friday weekend, you know. I think everyone spent all their money so they didn't come to get haircuts. But anyways, now it's time to go finish my wall. I can't wait to go do that. I'm so excited. It's gonna be sick. So yeah, I'll catch you guys at home. Alright guys, so I'm back home now, and now it's time to do the wall. So basically, all here is gonna be a collage of pictures. The reason why I'm doing that is because I want a little YouTube like studio, like where I'm gonna be filming like some sit down videos, and I just need a nice background. So basically I already had this couch, I got a rug, I got this table from IKEA, I got the 2 shelves from IKEA, I just have my favorite pair of shoes, and then all that's from IKEA. 2 lamps are from IKEA, and then I also have the LED light bulbs that you could change the color on your phone. That's from Amazon. So then I had all this space, I had all this empty space. What I had before was like my subscriber goals, and I was thinking of getting maybe a big poster or something to put there, but I wanted to keep the sub count. So what I did is I got an even smaller one, and I'm going to be putting it right in the middle right there, and then all around it, all around like the whiteboard, is where I'm going to be putting all these pictures. So I just downloaded a bunch of pictures off like Pinterest, printed them out, cut them out, and now we're ready to put them up. So all you're gonna need to do that is like some sticky tack, and yeah, so first things first, I'm gonna lay out the pictures on my bed so that I get my favorite ones in the best spots. Okay, so I laid out about half of the pictures, so that's gonna be like the bottom half. Actually, I don't even know. We're just gonna start it. Alright, so finish the first half. Now it's time to put the whiteboard up. So I'm just gonna measure it up, see where I want it, and then I'm gonna nail it into the wall. And then we're gonna keep going with around, and I think I'm gonna bring it till the end of the couch right here, because that looks like half done. So we're gonna bring it till here, put the whiteboard, and then we'll go around it. Guys, turned out insane. I'm really happy with how it came out. I ended up using exactly how many pictures I printed. Like, there's no more pictures on my bed, so that was like a coincidence. But yeah, I'm about to make a little edit of what this is looking like, so enjoy that. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You've had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You've had me at alone. Finally done. If you guys clicked on the video to check out how I made the wall, just check out the rest of my channel. You might like it. If you do like it, hit that subscribe button. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.